Are you already using checkboxes in Excel? Because I don't want to do what I'm supposed to be doing, so I'm going to make this video instead. If you have Microsoft 365, you can use the new checkbox feature, not to be confused with the old crappy checkbox feature. You go to Insert, you'll see this nice box that says checkbox. You click on it, and look at that, there's a checkbox. You can copy it and paste it into wherever you need. So if we're, I don't know, putting together some tax returns, you can enter in the data, make sure that the sales ties out, check, this check, check, some more checks, missed a check, there's another check, and then you can verify your net income matches, and then you check again. And then this can be your prep, and then you can have another one for maybe a review column, but super easy. Need checkboxes, much better. If you want to use these checkboxes in a formula, just look it up here. It'll tell you if this is false, then you can use it in an if statement. You check it off, it says true, and life is better this way.